So I have embedded Flipgrid into my independent practice for, in this case, this is a reading independent practice. And it's to enter, I need to hit BES, so it's a capital B, capital E, and a capital S. So BES would be right here. And I'm going to hit go. And I guess I'll save the password. And so if I want it to, this is a lot of words. So if I want my instructions to be read to me, I can click on this blue button that says Immersive Reader, and it will read to me. Oops. And I have to hit the blue button, play button.
Find a book you love. It can be one at your home, or on Raz Kids or Epic, and talk about the book. A few things you want to add in your book buzz. How can you hook your reader for this book? Who are the characters? What are they doing? Why might someone like this book? Why did you like this book? Remember, you are not giving away, or spoiling, the ending of the book.
So it's telling me I need to tell the directions, and then I can go back and record my response by hitting this button that says record a response. And then it brings me up to this screen where it says record. I have 2 minutes to record according to this, and I can click right here to record. So it's waiting for me, and I'm gonna just record blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Here's my recording. You are to do the work that it tells you to do, but this is an example on how to use it. So then I can stop the recording by hitting next. And I'm gonna just record blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Here's my recording. And you are to do the work that it tells you to do, but this is an example on how to use it. And this is reviewing it so I can like it. If I don't like it, I can go back to the video and redo it. Now it's asking for a selfie, so now I can do a selfie. And I took my selfie, and then I can edit. It's gonna upload my video. And then I would change my name to my name. So I could say my name is Jenna Elliott. And then I submit. And it's complete. So I hope this helps you learn how to use Flipgrid.